What if I told you you can clone an entire YouTube channel, its style, scripts, thumbnails, everything, without spending a single dollar and without downloading anything? Yeah, sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible using just your browser and Claude AI. And the best part, you don't need any setup. Now, to clone any channel, first you need to open Claude AI in your browser. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and log in. Then you need to copy this master prompt completely. I'll give the link in the description. This prompt is basically the full command for cloning a channel. You can even call it a system. It took me 2 days to build this. So yeah, it's powerful. Now just paste it into Claude AI and hit enter. Boom, now Claude is ready. Right after that, Claude AI will ask for the channel link that you want to clone. This is where things get interesting. For this example, I'm going to clone a channel that uploaded only 6 videos and already reached 5K subscribers just by posting pet psychology content. And if we talk about views, their first video hit 2.6 million views in just 1 month. The second one got 393K views, and almost every video is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. Their estimated monthly earnings are around $7K. Now imagine cloning something like that. So first, copy the channel link, paste it into Claude AI, and hit enter. Now Claude starts analyzing the entire channel deeply. But here's the important part. If you want to match its exact scripting style, like hook, body, and outro, Claude will ask you for transcripts of the top 2 to 5 most popular videos, along with their titles in proper structure. And this step is very important. Don't skip it. So what you need to do is go back to the channel, open the most popular videos, and start copying their titles. To keep everything clean and organized, open Google Docs and paste the title there first. Then go to the video, scroll down to the description, and you'll see the show transcript option. Click it, copy the transcript, and paste it under the title in your doc. Simple. Now repeat the same process for the next video, copy the title, paste it, then add the transcript below it. I personally added transcripts of 4 videos with titles in my document. You can select all and copy everything, or if you want to keep it clean, just save it as a PDF. That's what I recommend. Now go back to Claude AI, attach that PDF, and type, "I attach the transcript," and hit enter. Boom, now Claude starts extracting the full DNA of the channel. And when I say DNA, I mean everything: writing style, hook patterns, script flow, retention techniques, pacing, all of it. This is where the magic actually happens. Now Claude will ask you something. Do you already have a topic idea, or should it generate new ones for you? If you already have an idea, just type yes and move forward. But if you don't, like me, just tell it to generate 25 new topic ideas. And trust me, this is powerful. Within seconds, Claude will generate 25 fresh, non-copied video ideas that match the exact style of your reference channel. Now just pick the one you like the most. For example, I'm choosing psychology of dogs when you cry. Copy that, paste it into Claude, and hit enter. Now here's where most people mess up. Don't rush. Claude will first give you the full structure of the script, like hook style, flow, sections, everything. Read it once. If you want to tweak something, tell it. Otherwise, just type yes, write full script. And boom, Claude starts writing your full script with a proper hook, just like your reference channel. It even adjusts the script length automatically based on the channel style, which is insane. Now, once the script is ready, make sure you save it somewhere because you'll need it for voiceover later. If you want any changes, you can still ask Claude. But if everything looks good, just type, "Yes, I am happy." Now we move to the next step, and this one is very important for visuals. Claude will start analyzing visual style. For this, you need to take 3 to 5 screenshots from the actual videos, not thumbnails. Make sure you take them from the middle parts of the video so Claude understands the real visual style. Now go back to Claude, attach those screenshots, and type, "Here are screenshots," and hit enter. That's it. Now Claude will analyze everything: art style, color palette, character design, composition, and based on that, it will generate scene-by-scene image prompts for your entire video. Yes, complete scene-wise prompts. Now let's test it. Let's take scene 1 and generate an image. For this, I'm using Flow AI because it's free and unlimited. You can use any tool you want. Just paste the image prompt, select image generation, choose your ratio. I'm using 16:9 since this is a long video, and pick any model. Now hit generate, and within seconds, your image is ready. And you can see the result. The style matches almost exactly with the original channel. That's the crazy part. Now let's generate scene 2 using the same settings. And boom, again, same quality, same style. Just to double check, I even generated a third scene, and yep, perfect match. High quality, consistent style. Now, if any prompt doesn't work properly, you can always ask Claude for an additional prompt for that specific scene, but in most cases, it works perfectly fine, just like here. Now here comes the next step. If your reference channel uses video-style visuals instead of static images, Claude will ask you if you want to convert everything into video prompts. If yes, just say, yes, convert all into video. If not, you can skip it. In my case, the channel uses video visuals, so I told Claude, no changes needed, yes, convert all into video. And instantly, Claude gave me scene-by-scene animation prompts. Now, to convert images into video, just copy the prompt of any scene. I'm again using Flow AI here, but you can also use Meta AI or any other free tools. Now select the video option, choose frame to video, set the ratio to 16:9, pick a model like VO 3.1. Fast, upload your starting image, paste the prompt, and hit generate. Wait a few seconds, and your video clip is ready. You can see the result. It looks clean, smooth, and matches the original channel style. Now just repeat this for all scenes, and your full video is ready. At this point, you've already cloned almost everything: topic ideas, script, visuals. Only one thing is left, the thumbnail. Now here's the smart part. Claude will actually ask you to upload 2 to 3 thumbnails from that channel. So go back, take screenshots of a few thumbnails, and upload them. I uploaded 5 just to be safe and typed, thumbnails are attached above. Now Claude analyzes them deeply, color psychology, layout, text, style, everything, and then gives you not just 1, but 5 different thumbnail concepts based on that exact style. Now you can pick any concept you like and generate your thumbnail. For example, I used the 5th concept, and honestly, the result looks insanely close to the original channel style. And that's it. This entire chat stays saved in your history, so you can reuse it anytime, or you can save it separately as well. Now just imagine this. If you repeat this same process for different channels, you can literally generate unlimited content ideas, scripts, and visuals in minutes. So yeah, that's how you clone an entire YouTube channel using Claude AI. And if you're into AI content like this, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to drop more crazy tools and systems like this very soon.